for today's vlog. We're gonna do a paper target shooting. We're gonna check the accuracy of this Gamo Chakal. So we're gonna do a 30 shots, and let's see what this airgun can do. So before I start shooting, I want to mention some names and thank them for the support. So first of all, shout out to Mr. Bernard Daos of Baguio City. Thank you so much, sir, for your support. And to Mr. Roldan Calma, Chanters TV, Angel Vlog, Raynel, Mr. Victor Rosauro of United States, Black Feather Channel, Mr. Oliver Corpus, Virgilio Cagente from Italy, Mr. June Baon, and LB0903 TV, Fish Hunt Bunny, Logi Hunter, Palakaya TV, to my brother Paul Kirby. Hello there, my bro. And Sir Bonifacio de los Reyes, Roland Cube of Dubai, Sir Alex Lipada TV, and my brother Kadug Singh TV, Kusap PH, Avelino Nukum, si Ate Leia Meldal channel. Thank you po sa pag-flex ng channel ko. So kay brother Clarence Sermise ng Kareb, Bagabag, Nueva Vizcaya, salamat sa suporta. Kay KH Outdoor, kay Captain Saluyot, Kulikot TV, kay Sir William Alcotas, kay Wild Hunter TV, and Mike Tiksay Fish Hunting, JR Paras of Manila, Big Boss, my brother Kobitoy Wonder. If you want to see some cooking tips, cooking lessons, try and check Kobitoy Wonder TV. And if you want to see or check some gaming vlogs, try to check Chadros Mill TV or Chadros Mill Vlogs. And shout out sa mga kaklan ko sa Up North Clan sa Call of Duty Gaming, kila Kevin Jonel Yanson, kay pangalan nito si Sir Don Baltimore ng Baguio City, kay Michael Cuy ng Makati, kay Sir Eric ng Pangasinan, sino pa, at sa lahat sa inyo dyan nanonood. So maraming salamat sa suporta. So ngayon, 30 shots, groupings ng Gamo Chakal. So I just wanna let you know, guys, that this Gamo Chakal has the same appearance with the Gamo Urban 22, and they have the same specs. So they're just the same. They just have a different name. Like this one, Gamo Chakal, and the other one is Gamo Urban. So let's see if what this airgun can do in 30 shots. So that's it, guys. 30 shots on a paper target at 30 yards. Okay, so let's go. We're gonna try and shoot that big circle orange on the target paper. That's low. Gonna do it again. I'm sorry, guys, I don't have a bench or a table for my gun. It's just a rack. Okay, so that's it for 10 shots, and we're gonna reload the magazine. So I'm using JSB exact Jabalo 18.13 grains. So first magazine is done. We're gonna reload the magazine. Okay, second round magazine tayo. So that's the second round. So we're gonna need to reload again, guys. For the third magazine. I'm sorry guys, I only have one magazine, so I have to reload every round. Uh, before I forgot, or before I forget, guys, if you want to check some airgun reviews, you might want to check out Outdoors with Joe channel. This guy's from the US, and he's showing different kinds of airguns or PCPs.
Hey, for the third magazine? I forgot.
Okay guys, for the third magazine and the last magazine. And for the last shot, hit. That's it guys for 30 shots. 30 shots, and we're gonna go and check the target paper. So the target paper is 30 yards from my shooting spot. That's my shooting spot, and the target paper is across the river. So let's go and check. Okay, so here's the target guys from 30 yards. So here I tried to shoot the big circle orange here for 30 shots, or let's say 29 shots. Then all 28 shots are close in the center, so it's not bad, right? So there's one fly here, it's a fly, and the last bullet I shot was a shot on a small bottle here, and then suddenly there's a leech on my feet. Oh my goodness, there's a leech. So here's the target guys. That's the target paper. So you see the groupings, it's not bad, and my position is not that perfect, you know, like I was just on the rock. My PCP is just on top of the rock, and I was sitting on the shore, river shore. So maybe if I had a table and a bench, or maybe a bench rest, maybe it could have been better. So it's pretty accurate. The gun is pretty accurate. So here's the outcome of the 29 shots. Okay, so let's go back to the gun. So here she is, the Gamo Chacal 22 caliber, and so there you go guys, for 30 shots at 30 yards. I hope you liked the video, and thank you, and I hope you like the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and that's all for now. Bye bye.